Well, if you're sticking with me, I am. All you gotta do is affirm within to receive, consent within to receive, but going to start it. Just gonna invite everyone, ever tuning in, ever listening, take a deep breath. We connect together. Feels right for you. I invite you to close your eyes. Few deep breaths, whatever is comfortable. Grounding in, opening your reiki eye, whether that's a door or a flower or unlocking a key. Just opening up the space on the top of your head. I like doing the kind of hand motion of opening up my reiki eye, just blinking open. Feeling that light begin to pour in here. Feeling like you need to clear your throat or cough or yawn, please do so. This is the perfect time. This is the time that we want to share that. Allow what's no longer serving you to be released. Allow your throat to clear. Allow that energy, the Reiki energy that's pouring in, to weave. I get the visualization or sensation of it, like almost starting in the heart, and where it's like weaving back and forth, just this little area right here, getting the energy stirring. You'll probably hear my voice crack quite a few times on this one, and that's okay. Or me cough or yawn, because, oh, I feel it. Feeling that weaving, that balancing, the unlocking. Kicking up the dust, kicking up the dirt. We can get it vacuumed out. Up the density, whatever's holding you back. We don't need to know all the details. You don't even need to know all the details to let it go. Right here in the center of the chest. Whew. Letting it go, letting it go. Oh yes, lots of yawns. Lots of burps happening over here. Or welcome them. Good. And if you start to feel a lump in your throat, try not to swallow that feeling. Try to let that feeling come up. Leave. Inviting you to take another couple deep breaths here, if you can. Letting out a sigh if that feels right for you. Letting out a sigh, letting it go. Welcome if you're just tuning in, sharing some distant Reiki to help clear the throat chakra. Just firm within to receive. Clear the throat, clear whatever maybe lingering in your chest voice. Let the yawns come. Let the burps come. Letting it go. Let the coughs come. Inviting you to take another deep breath here with me. Working this area always causes lots of noises. Okay. No judgment. Lots of love and light and Reiki energy pouring in now to the chest voice area. Again, allowing yourself to receive, giving yourself permission to receive. Kind of helping ease that tension in the throat. Pulling down anytime you've held back making a sound, anytime you've held back, held your breath, you've held your voice, massaging that lump in your throat. Only if it feels right for you to allow this in. Allowing that to move, allowing a sigh to come. Move down into your heart, out your heart. Let it be transformed, let it be transmuted to whatever serves the highest and best. Let it transmute into love and light. Let your voice be a carrier of love and light. Welcome. Just take a couple more deep breaths here. Letting it in, letting it move, letting it go. One more deep breath with me. Inhale deeply through the nose. And exhale, let it go. You are loved. You are loved. You are light. You are whole. You are complete. And your voice carries power. Your voice has power. You are powerful. You are loved. You are love. You are powerful. You are powerful. You are powerful. Allow yourself to sit in that as long as you want to receive. Whenever you're ready, close your Reiki eye. Take an action. You could just imagine the eye closing, the door closing, the key turning. Or you can stay open and allow that energy to continue to flow as long as you'd like. You all so much love and light. Sharing your time, energy, and gifts with me in this share today.